Hello everybody, my name is Baturalp Güven. I am a second year electronic engineering student at Baturalp University. And today I'm going to present you my EE102 term project. So as a term project, I created a game which I called Up Go. And the aim of this game is to avoid hitting obstacles while constantly going upwards direction. So there are certain properties that I would like to talk about this game. As time passes, my character's speed is increasing, and after nearly 40 seconds, the character speed will increase and it will stay in that speed because after that speed value the game it is impossible to play the game. It's really too fast. Other than that, the rewards and obstacles are randomly generated, and when my character reaches the beginning of the screen, there will be a new reward and new obstacle in the screen that I will have no idea where they will be. So they will be randomized. Other than that, there is a score linked to the game. As time passes, the score is incrementing, and you can see the score on 7-segment display on the basis tree. There is a reset button that is linked to the game. When I press the reset button, all the scores and all of the game will be resetted. And there are 3 LEDs, which is a link which is showing me that how many rewards that I collected. As I collect rewards in binary formation, it will show me how many rewards that I collected, and when I press reset button, they will be resetted. So lastly, I would like to talk about the reward system of the game. If you collect rewards for 3 times, you will be gaining a special power. That special power is even if you hit the obstacle for nearly 10 seconds, the game will not be over. But after that 10 seconds, you need to avoid hitting obstacles. And there is a single player and a multiplayer mode in this game. In single player mode, you can control the character with buttons on the axis tree, and or you can use these distance measurement sensors. In single player, you're going to use only these 2 distance measurement sensors, and this distance measurement sensor, ultrasonic distance measurement sensor, will move my character to the right, and this sensor will move my character to the left when it sees my hand, and if my hand is closer to this sensor more than 45 centimeters, it will move my character. The same logic is applied in the multiplayer mode. You have an additional character and you can control it with these sensors as well. It moves it to the right, it moves it to the left, and you with that logic you will be using all of these ultrasonic sensors. So let's give a demonstration of the game. Okay, so as you can see, I can move my character with the sensor, and I hit the obstacle. So when you hit the obstacle, there is a game over screen that says you hit the obstacle, press center button to restart, and you can check the score on 7-segment display. It's increased, and when I push the reset button, it will be resetted. Let's collect a reward and show the reward system. I collected 3 rewards, and the game will not be over. But in the second time, it's not 10 seconds. Yeah, 10 seconds ended. So mainly you have 2 lives for not hitting the obstacle. So in the game over screen, as I mentioned, you get into a different game over screen than multiplayer mode. This is a game over screen for special single player mode. In the multiplayer mode, you can move both characters with the game sensor. My first character hit the obstacle, so the game over screen of multiplayer tells us that which character hit the obstacle. So you can decide who hit the obstacle, who lose, and who win the game if you play this with a friend of yours. And if my second character hits the obstacle, it says that player 2 hit the obstacle.